Guys, Sarcastic Sounds always puts out great stuff, and this new song is very good as well. I'm Not Okay. Like and subscribe. Let me know other songs you want to learn on ukulele. All right. Capo on the 2nd fret. We're gonna go with A minor, 2-0-0-0. If you need help reading the numbers, I've got a post that's applicable for guitar, but also for ukulele. You would basically do the same thing. So check that out. Let me know what you think. F, 2010. You're gonna need to know C, 0003, and then also G, 0232. Okay, so we're basically doing like a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay, so just you need to keep in this rhythm here. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. And accent on the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The first time through, it's F, A minor. No, sorry, A minor first. F, C, G. And that's really kind of your major progression in this. All right, and that's really that. Right? Variations on this in the verse. We're gonna go F, or sorry, yeah, A minor. I keep mixing it up in my head. A minor, F, then G, back to A minor. Okay, so, and then the second time at A minor, F, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is a variation on the progression in the verse. It's A minor, F, G, back to A minor, and then A minor, F, C, C. Okay, and to get out of that, you'll go G, 2, 3, F, and then you go back to A minor, F, C, G. All right, so that's what we have. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe. You can do that down below or right here. And then also, check out some other videos here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.